Wait, is that American Airlines?
That 9617 about 70 pound assistance. Sitting on about 70 pound assistance, over.
Yep, that's where we are.
Whoa!
So this is like our accelerator.
Yep.
We pull this out and that lets more steam into the cylinders.
Yep.
This one,
The brakes,
the
the direction.
Like the gear.
Yep.
So
Going forward and reverse.
If we push it forward, we go forward, and then you can vary the amount of steam going into the cylinders. If you're going fast, you don't need so much steam, so you just gradually ease it back. And we come past the middle point, you're going into reverse.
Wow.
And that's the brake for the train, and that's the brake for the locomotive. You can see up here the pressure gauge. See how it's dropped off?
Yep.
And that provides the lubrication for the cylinder.
Yep.
If you come around this side, look into that little glass panel there.
Yep.
You can actually see a little black dark thing standing up. Well, that liberates drops of oil.
Yep.
And it goes into the steam, and it goes into the cylinders.
Yep.
And that tells us how much water is in the boiler.
Water.
I'll take that so you can listen. What's coming, Will? Drop the end?
Yep. Hopefully one day.
Slow, Will.
Sorry.
That's not the one we saw going out to the rail museum for maintenance, was it?
That was a spare.
Oh, okay. It's a beautiful black one. I haven't seen the black ones before.
Yeah.
Actually, when it was built, it was asleep. Oh, that's how far things have been modified. So.
Here are some abandoned railway carriages just over there.
Yeah.
And there was also an abandoned guards van just over there. It was used in the very early days of a railway.
So which way's the engine going to be?
I think it's going to go backwards.
It's going south, is it?
The engine goes through
To Amamoor, doesn't it?
Amamoor, yes.
Amamoor, sorry.
Yeah.
So that's south, isn't it?
As you'll see, we pass the backyards of many locals who come out to wave and love to see us wave back. And the guards over the crossings enjoy seeing us go past, so give them a wave too. So on behalf of your onboard crew, sit back, relax and enjoy the journey.
Okay, relax long before I make it off.
This one does not have roller bearings. It's an older version of the C17.
How was your
It was good. That's the underpass.
The overpass?
The overpass, yeah.
The cars round. I'm going to have my drink.
That's the
In
hotel.
the car. Can you see the engine?
Oh yeah, exactly. The bridge.
Travel line's just there. So when the Mary River floods,
Oh, that's the Mary River.
Yep.
That's why we couldn't come last year, remember? Can you
Yep.
imagine that being underwater?
Oh,
It's a lot of water.
The observant passengers on board will just cross Deep Creek Gully. Some
Deep
33
Creek?
metres above the creek.
Oh, Creek Gully. That wasn't the Mary River. I think the Mary River's bigger than that.
yes, sir.
The other creek on our return journey, you may actually see people panning for gold. Incidentally, on the second of our 3 floods of last year, 2022, the water came up to within a metre of the railway bridge, so 32 metres high from the current creek level.
Yep.
The bill. So you're going to video the whole thing, are you?
Yeah.
3 hours, you're going to go flat.
Not exactly. Well. I think we're stopping. Well, too late for that now. Well.
Area. Just outside, on our right-hand side, in the direction of travel, you'll see Monkland State School, which was one of the first schools in the community.
this is a very small version of it. It's about this long.
The reason
Has a
for
metal
stopping
plate on
here
both
is
sides and a colour on top.
stopping for what we call a staff change. When travelling on a heritage railway, the word staff isn't used in reference to personnel. Before radios and with the platform was first running, a system called the staff and ticket was used to ensure only one train was using a particular part of the track at any one time. The staff was like a baton that the driver would have to pick up from the station and take with them on the train in order to proceed to the next station. If the staff was not available, that meant another driver had it and was using that section of line. So obviously in the interest of safety, the second train must wait.
Sorry.
Hello there.
Hi. I'm just taking a bit of a tour. Sorry. Don't think there's much interesting going on, so.
I'm gonna go for a tour.
Sorry. Oh. over there or over there.
Oh, okay.
You can use them on AL 1038 or on EL 507. Oh, that's a big pile. There's the intersection with the main line.
Oh, is that the main line, is it?
Yep.
Is that what we went on when we went to through to the outback?
Yes,
Continuing our
we went
journey
through
west
there.
towards the valley, we travel parallel to the Gympie North coastline for several hundred metres. These trains are huge and fast and come up very close to our line, so please, heads and arms in. An electrified line is the principal line for freight passengers travelling between Cairns and Far North Queensland and Brisbane to the south. We then drop quickly, pass through a tunnel underneath the Bruce Highway and continue our journey towards the Mary River crossing.
Ah, the Mary River crossing. Can we get a photo, Will?
Yep.
It's our electric line right here beside us. Where the jump train is.
By the Collindale, Gympie and Burnett ranges. The endangered Mary River turtle lives here, along with the rare Queensland lungfish and the Mary River tiger. Other endangered species along the river include the giant barbel, the Tasmanian green frog, and the copper-pointed parrot. After we cross the Mary River, we begin the long climb known as the Dog's Back. These lush river plains, dairy country with butter from the area, eventually known as the Gympie North. The next journey named after its position.
Not as big as I thought.
Cow. Bunch of cows.
They're Brahmins, aren't they?
They look like shit. Yeah. Oh, some more
Oh, Will.
Brahmins.
Are they Brahmins?
I think they are.
They're Camilla, aren't they?
Yeah. There's the valley now.
Daddy's actually going to meet us at Amamoor.
Wow. Hopefully then they'll be able to get back.
Well, Dad won't be able to come on because he'll have to take the car.
Yeah.
Bruce? No.
Now here's the grass.
Lots of grass. Well, we got lots of land in Australia, don't we?
We sure do. Excuse me.
The Goon Pocket was a busy station, loading timber and passengers. The rail motor service still ferrying children to and from the local area into the Sydney
Thank you.
1970s. We're leaving the Goon Pocket for Rattler heads west, following the line and travelling through some truly beautiful scenic areas. It's panoramic views east, including the Kairos, the airport.
Now can I please go back? Thank you very much.
Sorry, I thought you were going that way.
What's your bum, Amanda?
Excuse me. Sorry. Thank you very much.
On the wrong side.
Yep.
Do you know what time they get to Amamoor?
Probably about 30 minutes or something.
What would you think about looking all the way out here?
Yeah, pretty good.
Like it, would you?
Can't like air connection, but it's overall pretty nice being next to a train line.
Driving videoing, I What are they?
Yeah, I think they're
Passing one of the Mary Valley's
cows.
dairy farms.
I know they're cows.
There is a large herd of Jersey cows economically seen grazing from the train now on the rich pastures of the Mary Valley. They go down to pastures to water.
They're probably Jersey cattle
Jersey.
Run dairy
by the look of them.
established in the 1930s. One of the range. The station hits a place of activity each day with passengers, creek dams, and giant fruit bins being loaded onto the train. Several timber mills operated in the area, with one still successfully operating to this day. So too is the Dagan Primary School that opened in 1924. And the name Dagan, it means local kid.
There you go. That looks like a Victorian station board in a few ways. That's for wine and cheese rail motor. Well, so for the experience. It's this advanced.
Are you looking forward to watching that?
Yeah. The cream shed.
Right, we go around, let's go and watch it turn around.
Yep, dead end. That's the cream shed. Yep, this is the cream.
Do you want to go watch it on the turntable?
Yes, I do. This is the cream shed.
We can't cross yet.
Yeah,
Cross and you go down and watch them on the turntable, okay?
they're just changing the. Almost like a stand show. The roller bearings.
Wow. Let's go down to the turntable.
Yep.
Walk down the side.
They're putting it on the turntable. The club car.
Want to go video it?
Yes, I do.
Go on then.
In fact, I'm kind of already doing the beginning parts.
Oh, good. Okay.
No.
See?
Yep.
Person just stood right in front of you. As long as you can get it, that's what.
Yep. Yep, they're changing it to Gympie.
Here we go.
It's petrol powered by the sounds of it.
Petrol or diesel.
Yep.
Just like in Thomas.
Yeah. Wow.
Now it's got to go up and hook up to the carriage.
Be careful while. Sorry. Hi. Just taking a carriage tour while it's still possible.
That's all right.
BA 527. They've removed the lavatory. Lavatory's gone from this one. Yep. The deadest end. Sorry.
You're right, you're fine.
Okay.
Come back. Okay, here we go now.
Just taking a tour, sorry. Baby. Hi, Dad. Hi, Dad. Well, can Dad look after Mum? Look after? Yeah. The stockyards. Of horses.
Crossing just near the David State School. Primary school that was opened in 1924. This is a rich agricultural area for a wide variety of timber, fruits, market garden, crops, cattle, dairy, and other animals.
Just some more sleepers.
I don't know what that is. It's like sleepers. Looks like it's got.
Yes, definitely.
There's no possible.
To the east, you can join the spectacular scenery that New Zealand is famous for.
Probably is a van.
Yeah, across the valley, past the Tree-Line River, and on towards Kaibong, the Gympie Airport, Mount Karura, and Mount Pitman.
Yeah, I think we might have to go. Just look like our one keeps stepping on my toe.
Yep, that's Lagoon.
Carriage 527.
The one with no lavatories.
Celebrating his daily birthday. Very showing great initiative. We also have special guests in our yards bed in Carriage 1547. I'd like to welcome aboard Sasha and Dipper and Chili. Our 3 pets on board today. Carriage 760, we have passengers on board, only because I know, from Brisbane, Coolum, Doonan, Lullaby, Sydney and Caboolture. And welcome on board our passengers from Doonan. And I won't say what cricket was in Australia, and you'll be pleased to know Australia have exceeded the 150 mark at lunch. Mary Valley for 291 kilometres before emptying into the Great Sea of the Strait near Fraser Island at Riverheads. Past the township of Gympie in 1989 at the time of the railway's electrification.
trying to create a fossicking site.
No, to process it.
Yeah,
Yes.
we process them up. All the molecules from around town were brought out dumped in this gully. This particular mining company reckons they're going to extract down to dust.
Just like they did 150 years. Well,
Redoing it.
Travel was one of the first schools to live in the area and dating back to 1884.
That's a while ago. Doing the slight wave.
First road crossing. And this is stopped on this side already.
Thunderstorms lost the area to Gympie. Now take classes online or at the Visitor Information Centre to try your luck at this fun camping activity.
I'll do that later in the year.
We cross this gully some 33 metres above the creek there due to the height of major flooding in the past.
No, and they had hand-picked up.
For our cricket followers on board, Australia won for 130.
Long way down.
In contrast to the flooding that occurred just this last year,
What's that?
at the same time last year or something, around that, flooding.
Oh yeah.
We're all going to enjoy the aircon.
These are some of the Evans carriages that have been
Oh, yeah.
abandoned for a while.
Oh yeah.
One of them's looking worse for wear.
Keep videoing.
And this is the original locomotive.
Static display now, is it?
Yep, static. And that's one of the original carriages.
Alright.
Just ask that all passengers remain in your carriage until we're hitting the